Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice, Beetlejuice. Sandworms, don't you hate them? All right, it's November 13th, Friday the 13th. We're rolling out to Fireside RV. We're not pulling the Jeep and we're not bringing any bicycles. It's a new park. We don't know what to expect about it, so we're just gonna go and walk around and check it out. I heard they have some walking trails, so let's go see what it's all about. Today, we're at Fireside RV. This is a new RV park that was just finished. It just opened up. There's a lazy river over here, a swimming pool, what seems to be like a little fishing pond in the back. They're currently building some, it looks like swing sets right here, and they got a construction area going on, maybe some more cabins over there. They have some nice cabins over here. You can check them out on their website. I'm gonna leave that link down below. But today we're coming to explore this place. We spent the night last night, and we met up with a couple of our friends. Real nice area. It's pavement, woods, a lot of trees, a lot of shades. Your sights are on gravel. It's a little, you know, you might have to level out a little bit, which is okay. We're camping. It's not a premium resort, but it's premium in my mind. You know, this is nice. So today we're gonna go and make a little tour of this area. We're cooking a little breakfast this morning. So check this out. Some blueberry sausage. I got some blueberry sausage from Rouse's, and I don't know exactly. I'm gonna try to find out the name of the company that this is from. But it's awesome. Natalie's cooking some biscuits. I got some cream cheese. So we're gonna try something a little different. Feel the water. We're at Fireside's lazy river.
Is it here?
Nope. We'll check out the pool. Oh, that is a nice pond right there. This is gonna be nice in the summertime. This is gonna be really nice in the summertime. Come check it out. Yep, that water's not heated either. So back here looks like there's There's a pond. I just don't know if there's fish. I don't see why not. I think that would be a good little activity to do over here, is come and fish. Looks like they got a nice little setup. There's a little pavilion, a bar. Oh, that's cool. There's a little, looks like a swim up bar right here, and then there's a back deck.
You think it's like showing where's the camera, but you just watch the stick.
I take a next in here and there.
I've had to since I've been pregnant.
Oh yeah.
It's terrible.
So,
Literally.
we out here
I didn't know what you had packed.
with Judge
Oh my
Martin.
God, I didn't.
Good morning.
Well, yeah,
It's a nice little view you got right here.
oh my God.
That bad.
It's just too much. You ain't got no room.
It was so bad. Yeah.
How y'all spent y'all night? Pretty good?
Pretty good.
Did you ever see my camper?
Yeah. Yeah, but you need to come see mine. It's all Martha Stewart set up now.
Cody said I was okay, and I said, no, you gotta watch this shot. He did the whole daddling.
This is B-roll. In other words, right now I'm gonna have like some music playing. Beautiful weather, huh?
Yeah.
This place has paved roads, nice shaded spots. We're about to
Most
walk up.
are shaded, not all.
Well, there's tons of trees, so you're gonna find some shade. We're about to walk up to these cabins, and I really want to show you these cabins. I'm gonna try to come fly up above them as well, but check this out. These are really nice. It's got a unique look to them.
Really cool.
Very cool. You know, it's like they're in the middle of a campground, so it makes them even cooler. I can see myself coming back here. It's real, you know, it's not too far away from our house. You know, very easy to get here, not too complex, you know. Some places we used to go to, it was very hard to see the entrance. That Siri would take us to different places. One time going to North Carolina, we took a wrong turn, and I'm kind of glad we didn't have a long motorhome like this, because we would have been stuck. The little motorhome that we had before, I turned around in somebody's driveway. But that's something maybe to look into, is a different type of RV GPS. They do make them. I think we're gonna probably look into getting something like that. Check this out. It's a little mini golf cart. It's like Minu, a little mini. That was cool, huh? See? Now, if I wouldn't have came here, I wouldn't have known about that. Now I'm gonna be thinking to myself, do I need a little mini golf cart like that? Well, it's Sunday. We spent the weekend here at Fireside RV. Really enjoyed it. There's a lot of things to do. My dog kind of liked it. There's a little dog park, and Tico got to meet some friends. I never would have thought he would have been like that, but he really hates everybody but us. Other than that, we really enjoyed this place. Looking forward to coming back. So I decided I wanted to do something. I wanted to try my hand at editing a nice video, a good cinematic drone footage video for Fireside, and this is what I came up with. Check it out.
Don't hit me now.
Back up a little bit.
Slow down.